In today's video, we will tell you 12 money habits which could make you a millionaire in 2023. So let's start. 1. Improve your credit score. Not only can having a strong credit score help you receive loans at lower interest rates, but it also demonstrates that you are responsible with your money. Working to improve and raise your credit score will help you qualify for better insurance rates as well as reduce interest rates on your credit card and financing costs. If you use your credit card responsibly, you can still make purchases. You may increase your credit score and get incentives by making sure to pay your bills in whole and on time, as well as by charging fixed costs to your credit card. 2. Maintain your assets value. Taking away your debts leaves you with your net worth. It might be helpful to keep track of your development and spending as you learn how to manage money by being informed about it and knowing what it implies. If you want to develop better financial management skills, you should make it a practice to regularly review your obligations, your debts, and make sure they don't outweigh your assets, cash in your bank account, money in your 401k and investments, owned automobiles, etc. If you want to know more financial tips, then do subscribe our channel. 3. Examine your regular expenses and reduce them. At the end of the month, many of us might be afraid to review our costs. But making it a practice to examine your costs will help you rein in wasteful spending and accumulate money. Instead of wasting cash on joining a gym and getting personal trainers, think about engaging in free physical fitness activities like jogging, walking, hiking, watching free online videos, or even doing cartwheels. Plan to spend no more than 2% of your salary on a subscription if you still feel like you need to go to the gym. You may save more money by dining at home and choosing healthier foods. Think about meal preparing food at home and packing lunches every day of the work week. 4. Start an investment strategy. A notable millionaire emphasizes the need of consistently saving money if you want to start developing healthier financial habits. He stresses the value of attempting to set away some money from each paycheck for savings. He suggests setting up an automated transfer of funds to your savings and investing accounts from your paycheck to make the procedure simpler. Here, he is none other than Sir Warren Buffett. He now suggests systematic saving if you currently have a savings strategy but wish to enhance it. He sets deadlines for himself, outlines his savings objectives, determines the amount he needs to save each week or month to reach each goal, and then puts his savings on autopilot to accomplish those goals. All these tips are fine, but the tip number 10 is my most favorite one. However, let's continue. 5. Set aside time for managing your finances. When you want to develop healthy money habits, setting out time each week for your finances will help you succeed. One day every week should be set aside for reviewing your finances and determining what may be done to make them better. The bottom-up method is how Sir Charlie Munger allots time for his money. According to this strategy, you calculate how much money is left over each week after costs and savings and save for emergencies. You never spend in excess of that amount. 6. Purchase just what you need. If you frequently find yourself wasting cash on stuff you don't need, make it a practice to consider things through and only purchase what you actually require. It's not a deal if you don't need it, as my mother used to say. In light of that, conduct your study and decide for yourself if you genuinely need it or whether you just want it. However, it might be a good idea to hunt for used products if you really need to buy something. Remember that you don't need to buy the most recent gadgets or fashion trends. There are plenty of second-hand choices that may be just as beneficial for the natural world as they can be for your budget. 7. Lower your credit card debt. A solid money habit lowers your debt or generates a profit, claims a financial consultant. In addition to enhancing your credit score, reducing the amount you owe on credit cards can also help you pay less in monthly interest charges. When you use your credit card for the majority of your purchases, credit card debt may quickly spiral out of control, particularly when you include in financing costs and interest. 8. Prepare for retirement. Beginning when you're young, prepare for the future. Take advantage of the 401k plan provided by your employer, especially if they match your contributions. Every little bit of assistance is helpful in beginning to plan for the future and creating healthier financial habits. You will be contributing a percentage of your salary to this investing account, which serves as a retirement account from which you can draw money in the future. 9. Take financial lessons from your mistakes. You're likely to make blunders when attempting to develop improved money habits. However, it's crucial to take lessons from your mistakes if you want to improve your relationship with money. Even my financial coaches have made errors in the past and have shared what they've learned with us. As an illustration, one of my financial coaches discovered his mistake after losing $5,000 when trading currencies on leverage. His decision to switch from margin trading to buy and hold investment has been successful. 10. Begin creating a budget. Creating a budget is essential for creating healthier financial habits. Setting limits, such as having a spending cap for groceries, and keeping track of your funds are essential if you want to prevent going over budget, which Montana thinks to be a negative money habit. There are various methods to start budgeting your money, like using an app or participating in money-saving challenges. The most crucial steps are to stick with it and figure out what works best for your lifestyle. 11. Make paying back your student loans a priority. If you have student debt and want to start developing better money management skills in the upcoming month, it could be a good idea to start concentrating on repaying those loans in order to avoid paying high interest rates and, as an additional benefit, to feel more at ease. It's not shameful to have student debts, but just accept what you really need. One of my friends claimed that borrowing more money than he required for student loans was one of his worst financial errors. He said that it was simple to rationalize because he had a small family to support, but he added, "We could have discovered more ways to sacrifice instead of having a greater debt load." 12. Have a talk with your partner. This habit is the most avoided habit and no one even bothers to include this. But this is the most important habit of all. As the heading says, you must have a talk or discussion with your life partner, business partner, or any other family member regarding to finances. This will not only make your mind clear but will also help you gain trust with your partner. You will get a clarified idea of the next financial step after having a talk. You can do this anytime, while having dinner, while going out, or in call. That's all for today. To know more related to finance, do subscribe our channel. We bring daily new videos related to finance. Also like the video if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.